He was fired and your money was used to get rid of him. Now, 41 Action News uncovers the county rehired him with a significant raise. Investigator Andy Alcock dug deeper to find out why.
David Van Paris, a consultant for Leavenworth County, is making more than $40,000 a year more money than he was making before commissioners fired him. Can you tell us why you were terminated?
I'd prefer not to discuss that.
In a 41 Action News exclusive, we obtained David Van Paris's termination letter from last December. It states Van Paris was warned multiple times about violating county policy, insubordination, dishonesty, poor job performance, absenteeism, and tardiness before he was fired. The letter states despite counseling and an offer of help, Van Paris refused. As a result, the county is at serious risk due to his actions and a number of incomplete projects. This separation agreement shows Van Paris was paid more than $29,000 as severance December 28th. His salary was a little over $95,000 a year at the time. Within days of that lump sum payment, the newly elected County Commission Board in January approved a new contract for Van Paris at $140,000 a year. New Commissioner Doug Smith and returning Commissioner Clyde Graber voted for it. The third commissioner, Bob Holland, who signed off on firing Van Paris, says he had no idea Van Paris would be rehired until that meeting.
This is all about playing the good old boy, and that's what I've been trying to get away from.
We tried to ask Chairman Smith about it.
I have no comment. You can talk to the county administrator.
It wasn't on the agenda that day, but the discussion was held during the meeting.
Why is that a good deal for the taxpayers of Leavenworth County?
I provide services to the taxpayers per the direction of the board.
I think it's rather incredible because this is purely political.
Former Leavenworth County Commissioner Dennis Bixby also signed off on Van Paris's termination.
He's doing considerably less work, but we're going to pay him 50% more and bring him back as if nothing's happened.
This story has yet another startling twist. Now, not only is Van Paris making $140,000 a year as a consultant, he's pocketing even more county money. The reason? County commissioners are challenging the contracts of 4 employees in court. 2 of them are the counselor and deputy counselor, who are both on paid administrative leave while the lawsuit is ongoing. That issue leaves Van Paris as the now interim county counselor at the rate of $100 an hour, more than double the hourly rate he was making for the same job before he was fired.
He does get paid extra for that because those are duties above and beyond what he was originally contracted for.
Both Commissioners Smith and Graber declined comment. The 84-year-old Graber, who was just reelected to a 4-year term last November, is resigning effective next Thursday. Graber cited health reasons for that decision. I'm investigator Andy Alcock, 41 Action News.